Is your Hisense TV having a mind of its own, turning on and off like it's possessed? Before you call that expensive repair service or think about buying a new TV, watch the next 2 minutes. I'm about to show you 4 proven fixes that work 90% of the time. Let's start with the easiest fix that works most of the time: power cycling your TV. Unplug your TV. Hold the power button for 10 seconds. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Plug it back in and test. Still having issues? Let's try these quick checks. Remove any surge protectors and plug directly into the wall. Take the batteries out of your remote to rule out stuck buttons. If your TV's still restarting, here's what to do with your HDMI devices. Unplug all HDMI cables. Go to Settings, then Connection, then HDMI CC, and turn it off. Reconnect your devices one at a time to find if one's causing the problem. Before we get to advanced solutions, there are a few software fixes you can try. First, check for any active sleep timers. Next, try a factory reset through your TV menu. Also, make sure your TV has proper ventilation. This prevents other devices from accidentally triggering your TV. If your TV stops restarting, one of your connected devices was the culprit. You can now reconnect them one at a time to find which device caused the issue. If these fixes haven't solved the problem, you're likely dealing with a hardware issue. At this point, you have 2 options. If your TV is under warranty, contact Hisense support immediately. If it's out of warranty, consider a professional repair service. That's it! Hopefully one of these solutions has fixed your TV. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech fixes.